But for the industry leaders, the show goes on. Ripple, which operates one of the biggest cryptocurrencies, XRP, is expanding in Canada with an office in Toronto and a plan to bulk up its engineering team. Ripple's CEO is longtime tech executive Brad Garlinghouse, who joins us now. Brad, good morning to you.
John, good morning. Good to see you.
Good to see you, too. Your company's been in the game longer than most. How would you describe this moment for the crypto industry?
Well, I think like several other moments of the crypto industry, you have a very early industry growing quickly, and you're going to have pullbacks. You and I both witnessed firsthand the earliest days of the internet, kind of Web 1.0, and certainly we saw some pretty dramatic shifts there where the e-toys and the pets.com died, but that doesn't mean that the technologies that underlie those weren't successful. And we have obviously some of the most profitable, some of the most valuable companies on the planet now born in that era. And one of the things that's really changed, I think, is tech talent. Really, there's kind of I don't want to call it a monopoly, but a lot of concentration in Silicon Valley. And that is not true today. The tech talent you have here in Toronto is really outstanding. Between Waterloo University, the Toronto Metropolitan University, you have some amazing engineers, some talent that we want to bring into the blockchain and crypto industry. So Ripple announced we're building our first Canadian office here in Toronto with a plan to, as quickly as possible, hire 50 engineers here locally. We're really excited about it, and so far the reception has been really, really strong.
What is happening, people? Big news for Ripple and XRP is incoming. Just in, Ripple has opened an office in Toronto to serve as a crypto hub with plans to initially hire 50 engineers. Wow, guys, this is huge news for Ripple. What have we been talking about? This is the big news we've all been up about. You might want to think about this from a broader perspective. It wouldn't be long before you find a pattern here. What is this structure forming behind the scenes? Well, sit tight to find out more on that as we look at some interesting insights into the Ripple company itself, in addition to the prospects of its XRP coin. Jed McCaleb, Ripple stash falls below 50 million, will be empty in 9 days. And that piece was posted on Crypto Basic by Jai Hamid a few days back, precisely Tuesday, July 5th, 2022. We got this tweet from Ashley Prosper 1 that talks about Ripple's pledge to release 1 billion XRP a month from its 55 billion XRP escrow due to expire by August of 2022. And what makes this even more important is how quickly this tweet was deleted. So what do you think about that? Do you think it's a coincidence that a few seconds after the tweet was posted, it got deleted? Obviously, someone in the Ripple team doesn't want this news to get out, at least not just yet. For now, though, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on bell notifications. Now, while the crypto markets seem to have crashed drastically from its most recent all-time high figures, dropping by more than 70% on average, crypto firms and companies that service the industry have engaged in a widespread massive layoff spree, starting with the leading crypto exchange in the US, Coinbase. We also got CNBC a few weeks back talking about BlockFi, the Peter Thiel-backed crypto lending startup, cutting 20% of its staff as Bitcoin plunges. This was posted a few Mondays back. The CEO of Crypto.com, Chris Marszalek, posted a thread on Twitter where he explained the company's reasons for laying off 260 people, shrinking by 5%, to become the third crypto company to announce their downsizing and letting go dozens of its staff. The government of Canada just recently reopened its borders to immigrants, and Ripple is expanding into the country, employing newer hands and the entire crypto and Canadian economy allowing for an increased opportunity for Ripple to take advantage right at the moment. So what's the game plan? What's happening right here? Well, from all indications, the Ripple team is bracing for something big. Let me rephrase that. Something huge is coming to this space, and Ripple is definitely going to be the pioneer. I don't know what it is yet, I can't say for sure, but what I do know is that this incoming event is going to be favorable for Ripple, and most importantly, investors in the Ripple asset, XRP. Now for just a quick break.
Hey guys, we are finally at the Zambian 50,000-acre claim. It's been incredibly exciting, as you'll see. I am so excited. I had to see this mine for myself. I had to see these results for myself because honestly, it's hard to believe. This right here is why we're in Zambia right now. This is The beautiful greenish blue tint of copper.
Having collaborated with KnoxWire, the GSX remittance protocol will be used in a global bank wire system that allows financial institutions to move large amounts of money in real time. Are you a prospective investor who, like me, loves to make in-depth research before investing? Well, you could check out the GSX Established Visitor Center in Harare for investors to stay in Zimbabwe and see the GSX mines in action. Listen to this, guys.
Hey guys, we are finally at the Zambian 50,000 acre claim. It's been incredibly exciting, as you'll see. I am so excited. I had to see.
So back to the main topic of today's video. What is this big incoming news? Just in, Ripple has opened an office in Toronto, Canada to serve as a crypto hub with plans to initially hire 50 engineers. Guys, amid all of this chaos, Ripple continues to introduce new members to the company's team. After setting up offices in significant locations like Miami and Dublin in Ireland, the US-originated crypto remittance decacorn firm decided to launch yet another offensive in its expansive spree by opening an additional office in Canada. This Toronto-based, newly commissioned Ripple base is intended to onboard hundreds of workers globally by the end of the year. Now check this out, guys. Down below it reads, the office will be the first ever one in Canada that displays Ripple's expansion in North America and further. The firm also plans to recruit 50 engineers, initially in Toronto. The main aim is to expand the office to include hundreds of blockchain engineers spread across data scientists, machine learning scientists, and product managers. In the midst of it all, Ripple's vision rests on global expansion and bringing in world-class talent. The ultimate aim of the firm will be to serve its customers with better innovation. Ripple launched additional offices in significant places like Miami and Dublin last year, and intends to recruit hundreds of workers globally by the year 2022. So guys, just as the former Ripple CDO, Jed McCaleb's stock of XRP is believed to run dry 9 days from July 5th, given the deliberative and excessive daily spending of his XRP holding, also important is the halting of Ripple's predefined consensus mechanism on the XRP escrow ledger. Escrow releases for XRP are scheduled cryptographically and set for the beginning of the month. The reason for doing this goes with Ripple's strategy of promoting its ecosystem, helping startups of interest, and retaining XRP use consistently. So why are these so important? Well, for those of you that are wondering what Ripple's 1 billion XRP returning to escrow means, it just means Ripple is turning away purchasers and forcing them to go to the retail market as planned. There's ample circulating supply. This was a planned execution by Ripple, as it had mentioned in its Q2 report that the company's sales of XRP in Q2 2019 would be lower as a percentage of reported volume than in the previous quarters due to the concerns about misreported, falsified, and inflated reported trading volumes. It carried out this strategy in the third quarter. While other crypto enthusiasts continue to speculate reasons for this, one Twitter user, @LeoHajiLoizu, went ahead to give a better explanation of the strategy by the Ripple team and how it further affects the price of XRP. He mentioned it means that institutions will have to buy XRP in alternative ways, like OTC or exchanges from the existing circulating supply. Why this is all important is that with Ripple halting the billion XRP disbursement and the Jed McCaleb spending spree, the Ripple platform will finally maintain back a level of stability. This goes to show why the company has been expanding. Ripple is one of the few crypto companies that is still expanding and hiring.
Celebrate
While others are firing, Ripple is hiring.
Alexa, is the U.S. switching to rainbow currency?
Here's something I found on the web. According to threadreaderapp.com, that our entire global banking industry has flipped to the QFS asset-backed digital currency and that the U.S. will be switching from fiat USD to rainbow USN currency with new silver and gold coins, all with their own individual trackable embedded barcodes so the
Now we all know who the real lion of the jungle is.